Hello everyone and welcome to AUN Tech. I'm Kurtis, the sales manager here at AUN at BlueEdge Tech. We're passionate about creating immersive audio-visual experiences, from innovative research and development to state-of-the-art manufacturing and global sales. We manage every step of the process under one roof. With a strong focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we aim to deliver the best value to our clients around the world. Now let's take just 1 minute to give you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at our production facility. This is our dust-free workshop. Now let me put on my dust-free suit and take you on a tour.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's get started. Walking down the corridor, we are about to arrive at the assembly workshop. In this workshop, materials are prepared in advance to increase the efficiency of the production line. Welcome to the production workshop. To the left and right are 2 production lines. This is quality inspection on the production line. This is the area for the second quality inspection. This is the R&D team, where countless products are designed. Software and hardware are repeatedly tested here. The equipment behind me is a temperature and pressure test chamber. They simulate extreme temperature environments to help us create more stable quality products. We're all about delivering the best experience, rock-solid quality, and unbeatable value for the price. Our goal is to help your business thrive with products you can truly count on. We warmly invite you to join us for a discussion on potential business collaboration.